What's up guys? Good evening. It's been some time since I posted a video, and today I would like to share a 2021 Father's Day 2-pack break here. I got these packs from Singapore Card Collective. They are a local community group here in Singapore, and I'm impressed at the level of service as well as activities that they have been providing to us collectors in the community. Do definitely check them out. They do bricks, they do slabbing, they've been doing SGC, and they most recently just added HGA as well. So definitely check them out. So without further ado, let me open up the Father's Day pack. Put the other one up here, and let's see what we have. Let's see if we get some soccer cards, because I actually had opened 3 packs on the break, and they were baseball, NFL, and NBA. So let's see whether I get some soccer cards as I collect them. Alright, let's go. That's nice. Okay, here we go. Let's see. This is a. Let's do it this way. No, let's see. All right. Anyway, let's do it this way. We have NASCAR. We have baseball. So it's 2-card pack. Let's see what we have here. Ooh, it's Lionel Messi! Yes! Yes. And what do we have? Sixto Sanchez. Wow, okay. It's good. This one is really good. And I think, let's see, because they do have, so because Sixto Sanchez, the rookie card, as you can see, RC25. And that's Lionel Messi in Argentina. So that's pretty cool. Very neat. Very neat. And that was it. Just a very quick and simple 2-card break. And I think the money cards are here. So very happy. Thanks for watching.